Welcome to this Hindenburg journalist tutorial where we'll have a more in-depth overview of the elements and features in Hindenburg journalist. This is the Workspace where you can montage and edit audio. Let's quickly add some audio. Take any sound file and import it to the track. Note the levels are automatically set. Hindenburg Journalist is a multi-track editor, so you can have as many tracks as you like and add any type of audio.
Examples, sort of.
That's Simone Ackermans, the Simone of Simone and Kipski.
And we can rearrange the audio any way we like. Now to get an overview of the layout. At the top we find the menus. The toolbar here has the most commonly used features like open, save, publish, cut, copy and paste, and so on. To the left we have the track controls. Here you can rename your track. This is the volume control for the entire track.
That's Simone Ackermans, the Simone.
By double-clicking on the volume is set to the default level. Here we can adjust the balance from left to right.
That's Simone Ackermans, the Simone of Simone and Kipski. That's Simone Ackermans, the Simone of Simone and Kipski.
By double-clicking on the balance slider, the balance is set to the center position. At the bottom left we have the transport bar. Here we can start the playback.
Got tired, would just spend hours.
And stop the playback. We can rewind, go to beginning, go to end, and so on. Next to the transport bar we have the Varyspeed. This is used for playback at high speed.
We used to go skateboarding, and then when we got tired, we just spent hours pressing pause buttons on cassette decks.
Here we can adjust the speed.
Sort of.
You can find another tutorial from this channel describing the Varyspeed.
We used to go skateboarding, and then when we got tired, we just spent hours pressing pause buttons on cassette decks and trying to make samples, sort of.
Here we have the peak meter. This is a QPPM meter that is used by many radio broadcasters all over the world. And here we have the counter. This displays the current playhead time.